Getting unstable readings from your high-resolution scale? Chances are it's not the scale, it's the environment it's in. When a scale is set to higher resolution, it becomes much more sensitive, not only to tiny changes in weight, but also to the environment around it. That's why you may see unstable readings or drift, which can be frustrating when using your scale. Here's what often causes these issues and what should be done to fix them. Number 1. Vibration. Problem? Machinery, forklifts, or even foot traffic can send small vibrations into the scale and show up as weight fluctuations. Remedy: place the scale on a solid foundation, a solid weighted benchtop, use vibration dampening pads, or relocate it away from heavy equipment and traffic. Number 2. Air drafts. Problem: HVAC vents, open doors, or fans can create subtle air movement that the scale mistakes for weight change. Remedy: shield the scale with draft enclosures, redirect airflow, or position the scale in a less exposed area. Number 3. Electrical interference. Problem: motors, wiring, or static discharge can introduce electromagnetic noise, disrupting the scale's signal. Remedy: ensure proper grounding, avoid running power cables near the scale, and use shielding if necessary. Remember, higher resolution equals higher sensitivity. By controlling the scale environment, vibration, drafts, and electrical noise, you can unlock the precision your scale is designed to deliver. Be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com to purchase high-resolution scales, or if you need your scales repaired or calibrated.